Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot or screenshots on this watch. So first we need to go to the screen we want to capture. So for example, let's open the activity app, I guess. Scroll down and tap on agree. Again. And next. Okay. And now we should finally see the activity up. And let's say you want to capture this screen. You need to press the crown button and the lower button together. No, my bad. Let's press them together. And once you press them together, you will see this flash on the screen, this animation, which indicates that you took a screenshot. And once you take a screenshot, I forgot to mention it, but your watch needs to be paired with a phone. And once you take a screenshot, you can go to the phone your watch is paired with. And on the phone that is paired with your watch, you can open the gallery app. For example, photos from Google. Where is it? And then you need to go to collections or albums, of course, and find the screenshot one. Where's gonna be screenshots? Oh, here it is. And here we have the screenshot from our watch. And that's how you take screenshots on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.